guys, welcome back to another episode of Plant-Based Dads. I'm Joey. We have a DIY episode for you today. We ordered this Umax 6-piece outdoor sectional sofa set with a half-round table, and it looks like it's arrived. I was thinking that there would be a lot more of it, but that's it. So I guess I'm putting it together. I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna do a unboxing video. I'll show you what's in all the boxes, and then we're gonna do an assembly video, and we'll put it on the patio and see how it looks out there. All right, let's get started. Guys, you can see here that there's 4 boxes. Each box is labeled, as you can see from the close-ups here. There's a number and then A, B, C, and D after the number on each of the box. So it looks like there is an order of the boxes. We're going to start with box A because that should be where the directions are. All right, what do we have in here? Looks like this is the top of the half table. The glass is intact. It looks pretty well packed. It's got cardboard on the ends here, right? And then it has the strapping to keep the cardboard in place. Let's take that out and put it aside here. This is a piece of something. And these are curved, so I'm going to guess these are part of the table. I just plugged in a better mic so you could hear me better. All right, what do we got here? Oh, these are the cushions without the coverings on. The coverings are packed right here. All right, so one of the cushions. Another cushion right here. All right, so I knew this was the case, but I wanted to be able to make sure. When you see it online, it has 2 throw pillows on the set in the picture, and it does come with those throw pillows, so these are kind of nice. All right, some more pieces here. These look like fronts or sides or whatever. All right, looks like some legs, and that's all that's in this box. So, yep. Now some of the boxes are bigger than other boxes. So we've got some, it's like every single box is a different width and a different height. So I'm guessing that the one that's a little wider than this probably has enough for 2 pieces of the sectional in it. Maybe these are maybe the corner pieces which have the arms are in their own boxes, and then they've doubled up in the wider boxes with the pieces that don't have the arms. Next we're going to open up box B and see what's in there. So interesting, the directions are in box B, not box A. I would have put them in box A, but here they are, box B. The directions, we'll keep these aside for now. This box does look like it has a lot more packed in it, and it's not even one of the wider boxes. All right, looks like we've got more pieces here. So this box, everything's like an L or a square, and it's all packed in. It's like if you've ever played Tetris, they've spun the pieces upside down and left and right and trying to fit them into each other. That's what this box looks like. It's like we have another cushion right here, and this one's already got the cover on it, so that's nice. This cushion is just really wedged in here. This looks like one of the backs, I'm guessing. Although really, I have no idea. I've never put one of these together. Here's the other throw pillow right here. All right, so box B also has the hardware, so you probably want to open box B up first, I don't know. And then box B has these clips. I'm not sure what the clips are for. Maybe to hold the cushions on, or hold, probably, you know what, these probably hold the pieces together. You probably clip them to keep the sectional together. All right. And then we've got another piece here with a cushion jammed into it. Somebody was really good at Tetris. All right. So far I'm not seeing anything damaged, which is kind of nice. That means the packing's done really well. Okay, so we're gonna open up box C next and see what's in there, okay? Oh. Guys, I am getting too old for this. All right, another box packed right to the top with stuff. Looks like we have another cushion right in the beginning here. This is obviously the big cushions are obviously the flat cushions that you sit on. Then we have another cushion stuffed in another piece. All right, some more pieces. Everything's still looking in pretty good shape. A lot more cushions and some more pieces. I don't know if these are the fronts or what. But we're absolutely going to find out. Right, so far, everything's still looking in good shape here. All right. It's looking good. All right, so box 3 or box C done. That leaves one box left. I'm assuming this is in 4 boxes because they did come in different shipments. 3 of them got here yesterday and then 1 of them got here about 2 hours before this video started. So, you know, I hope there's not like a 5th or a 6th box that I'm missing. All right, so let's unbox box D, box number 4. This should be the last box, unless we're missing something. All right, so another cushion. And this is basically a duplicate of the last box. So these must be, like we talked about earlier, these must be the 4 pieces that aren't the end pieces. All right, some more of these panels. I don't know if these are the kick plates or what, or the fronts or what, but whatever they are, there's more of them. And another back right here. So this entire box is just a duplicate of the other box. All right. All right, guys, so as you can see, there's a lot of pieces here. There's gonna be quite a bit of assembly time to put this together. I'll probably spend the whole weekend on it. So we'll do that in another video. That's the unboxing video for the Umax 6-piece outdoor patio furniture set with the half-round table. If you like this video, please hit that like button, show us some love. What's not to like? If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, become part of the Plant-Based Dads family, and you'll get notified every time we have a new video. If there's a DIY video, it's on Wednesdays. And please leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Did you buy this thing? I can tell you right now, I just got this and I went online to get the description so I can read it to you, and it is now unavailable and they don't know if they'll get them back in stock. you know how Amazon is with that. Once it's gone, you may not have the chance to buy it again. So did you get a chance to purchase this? Is this something you were looking to purchase but didn't, and now you're wishing you were? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.